Welcome students, day 4. Today we discuss some operations on sets. Operations on sets. These are the very important topics of this chapter. Union of the set. First operation is union. Name से clear है union of the sets. Let A and B be the any two sets. Then the union of A and B is the set which consists of all the elements of A and all elements of B. The common elements being taken once. The symbol for the union of the set is like U. And the union between the two sets A and B will be represented by A union B. What is the meaning of the union of the two sets? If you having two sets A and B, then the union of the two sets, जितने भी एलिमेंट्स A के अंदर बिलोंग कर रहे हैं, जितने एलिमेंट्स B के अंदर बिलोंग कर रहे हैं, उन सब को इकट्ठा करके एक नया सेट बनेगा. दैट विल बी द यूनियन ऑफ द टू सेट्स A एंड B. और जो दोनों के कॉमन एलिमेंट्स होंगे वो एक बार लिखे जाएंगे. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल, let A be the set having first four natural numbers, B be the sets having elements 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what will be A union B? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 3 and 4 are the repeated elements, so we write once. Then 5 and 6. So all the elements of A and B, that will be in the A union B. If B is the subset of A, yesterday we discussed about the subset. All the elements of B also in set A. Then A union B will be the bigger set. A will be the answer. For example, if A is equal to set of all the vowels A, E, I, O, U, and B be the set with A, E, I. So here we can say B is the subset of A because all the three elements of B belongs to A. So what will be A union B? That will be A, E, I, O, U. These are the repeated elements, so we write once. So its answer will be 1. So bigger set will be the answer in case of union of the two sets, if one is the subset of the other. Now second operation is intersection. What is the intersection? If you having two sets A and B, then the set of the common elements with A and B, that will be the intersection of the two sets. The symbol for this is reverse of the union. U का उल्टा कर देंगे. That will be the symbol of the intersection. For example, if A having elements 2, 4, 6, 8, B having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, then what will be A intersection B? How many elements are common in between them? The 2 is common, so 2. 4 is common, so there will be 4. So set of all the common elements in between the two sets, that will be the intersection. This is a symbol for intersection. This is the symbol A intersection B. That will be set of the common elements 2 and 4. What will be the union of these two sets? 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3. All the elements in between A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4 are the repeated elements, so they will be written once. Then 6 and 8. All these 6 elements, that will be the A union B. So these two operations are very, very important. Union of the two sets and the intersection of the two sets. Now difference of the two sets. The difference of the sets A and B is the order is set of the elements which belong to A but not of B. A minus B, दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो व्हाट विल बी द डिफरेंस? जितने भी रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स A के होंगे, दैट विल बी द डिफरेंस ऑफ द टू सेट्स. B में कुछ बच रहा है, बचने देंगे, लेकिन A के जो भी एलिमेंट्स बचेंगे वो डिफरेंस में आएंगे. जो कॉमन एलिमेंट्स होंगे वो कट जाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, A इज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, सेट ऑफ फर्स्ट 6 नेचुरल नंबर. B इज 2, 4, 8, 6. Then what will be the difference between A and B? तो A minus B, 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो खत्म हो जाएगा, 4 से 4 खत्म हो जाएगा, 6 से 6. रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स क्या होंगे? 1, 3 and 5. So that will be the difference between A and B. So 1, 3 and 5. B में भी बच रहे हैं, वो छोड़ देंगे. What will be B minus A? तो B के बचे हुए एलिमेंट्स कौन कौन से होंगे? 2 से 2 खत्म हो जाएगा, 4 से 4 खत्म हो जाएगा, 6 से 6 खत्म हो जाएगा, 8 बचेगा. So B minus A will be 8. The first set के जो remaining elements हैं, that will be the in difference. So that will be the difference between the two sets. Now Venn diagrams. We represent the sets with the help of the Venn diagrams. So what will be the Venn diagrams? This rectangle represent the universal set. All the universal set will be represented by a rectangle, and the other sets which belongs to the universal set, they will be represented with the circles. For example, here I having a universal set with x such that x belongs to natural number and x is greater than equal to 1 less than equal to 10. First 10 natural numbers का सेट है हमारे पास यूनिवर्सल सेट, और x हमारे पास a हमारे पास एक छोटा सेट है x such that x is even number less than 12. What will be the even numbers less than when we convert this into roster form? So 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So how we represent these two sets with the help of the Venn diagram? This will be the universal set. This circle represents the set A. In set A there are 5 elements, so we all write all these 5 elements in between the circles. Remaining total there was 10 elements in the universal set. So the remaining odd elements, 5 elements, will be written anywhere in the rectangle 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So that will be the representation of these two sets with the help of the Venn diagram. If B is the subset of A, then how we represent this in the Venn diagram? If B is the subset of A, means all the elements belongs to A. So we write this is the universal set. This larger circle will be the bigger set, that will be A. The B is the subset, so it will be inside the A. So it represent here we represent this B inside A. So that this Venn diagram for when one is the subset of the other. Smaller is the subset of the larger. Similarly, disjoint. Name से clear है. Disjoint. When there will be no joint. If there will be no joint, then in such cases the intersection will always be 5. कॉमन कोई एलिमेंट नहीं होगा दोनों सेट्स में. दो सेट्स विच हैविंग नो कॉमन एलिमेंट, दे आर कॉल्ड डिसजॉइंट सेट्स. A intersection B will always be 5. So how we represent these two sets? We represent these two sets with the separate circles in a rectangle that represent the disjoint sets. After that, Venn diagram for A union B. For A union B, this is the universal set. These are the two circles which represent the sets A and B. Here they having some joint. So if we shaded all the portion in between the two circles, that represent the A union B. A union B में क्या होगा? A और B के सारे एलिमेंट्स बिलोंग करेंगे, इसलिए हम उसको सारे को शेड कर देंगे. That shaded part shows A union B. Now A intersection B. So same universal set. Two sets A and B. This is the common part. The A intersection. पहले हमने किया intersection. Intersection is a set of the common elements between the two sets. So we shaded this common part. That common part represent A intersection B. Now Venn diagram for A minus B. Subtract the elements of B from A. Remaining elements of A, that will be the difference. So how we represent this in the Venn diagram? Again, rectangle universal, these two sets A and B, then shaded this remaining part of the A. Common छोड़ देंगे. Remaining part of the A, that represent A minus B. Then last Venn diagram for B minus A. Remaining element of B. तो वही B वाले पार्ट को शेड कर दोगे, कॉमन पार्ट अनशेडेड रहेगा, A पूरा छोड़ देंगे. तो that will be the Venn diagram for B minus A. Now you can try exercise 1.4 in the NCERT book. Thank you.